Stay with us. We also have other developments coming in. JD Vance arrived in Jaipur last night around 9:30 p.m. in a special plane. Vance will be staying in the Hotel Rambagh Palace of Jaipur during his visit. And upon his arrival in Jaipur, Vance will be received by Rajasthan Governor Kalraj Mishra and Chief Minister Bhajan Lal Sharma. So, Megha, in terms of how you talked about that he will be meeting Bhajan Lal Sharma and other people as well, what exactly is the mood in Jaipur right now? How are the preparations looking like?
Well, if you could just pan it out over here, there is tight security. We are standing right at the entrance of Amer Fort. Now there is extremely tight security. There is the Secret Service, there is the IPS officers, the security forces that have also been put to task. They have been spread all out across Jaipur. As we were traveling from JLN Marg towards Amer Fort, if you take a look at on the left hand side as well, there's this security presence that is very visible over here. And even while I was traveling inside the city, I landed over here yesterday evening, and there are boards and placards that are available, that are visible all across, right from the airport into the center point of the city, and even all the way to Amer Fort as well, and where are all the other places that JD Vance is going to be arriving. So there are full preparations, there are festivities. We were just a while ago being able to hear the dhol, the drums that were playing. This is in anticipation of JD Vance's arrival. So a festive environment that is being created by the authorities over here, by the administration over here. We are unfortunately not going to be allowed inside the Amer Fort where JD Vance is going to be arriving with his family. This is the closest that we can be to the festivities that are going to take place inside when he arrives over there. But there is there are a couple of American media organizations and their representatives who are present, who have accompanied JD Vance to cover his visit. But going inside is going to be a difficult task, because there have been stringent policies that have been implemented by the government, which does not allow media to go inside.
All right, Megha, thank you so much for joining us.